What up, E-Crew? Welcome back to today's vlog. We're here in Duarte. We're gonna do about 30 miles of leisure riding on this Sunday afternoon. Small group with us here. There's only 4 of us. Eddie with a BBSO2, Kevin with a front hub motor, and Crystal with a Super73 S2. This bike here has been having issues. I've already replaced the controller and then the motor, and now we're basically just testing it just to make sure it completes the 30-mile test today. In the small chance that it stalls out, I brought a leash in my backpack so that Crystal can tow me. Small chance, but hopefully all is good. Hopefully I can complete today's ride. Very leisure pavement ride today. Let's get it. But so far, riding about 1.5 miles, looks like this bike is showing no issues with the new motor core. So that's good. I am sad that it did burn the ludicrous controller, and at first I thought it was just the controller, but it turns out it was the controller and the motor core. Practically had to buy a new motor altogether, but it was still actually cheaper. Buying the Luna controller was only $100, and then the motor core is $200. So it's still cheaper than buying another bbshd kit altogether, if that makes sense. We're gonna be doing the Emerald Necklace Loop Trail, which I really like, because time at sunset at Santa Fe Dam. I see a jump ahead. That's funny. Okay. Here we go. Finally starting the bike path, or by the golf course here, and the water peck conservation. Hello. Alrighty, this is where Crystal's going to lead. Just stopped a little bit to see some pelicans. There's like a school of them, and they're huge. And we're just thinking, we thought pelicans only can be found in the ocean, but that's crazy. There's like a bunch of them in that island that I thought they were white trash bags at first. Nice to see Kevin here. Kevin's a trooper. He rode with us on the Turnbull Canyon on his bike that has 0 suspensions, and it's only front hub. That is nuts. That's a trooper for sure. And he did just fine. I think there was only 1 hill out of the 2 hills that he couldn't clear. He couldn't get over. So I am very sad that I tested out the ludicrous controller on another motor, and definitely the ludicrous controller is kaput. It's basically no bueno anymore, not working anymore. So I'm sad. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's just laying in the house. Maybe sell it for parts or something. On this bike, I've replaced the controller first, and then shortly after that, I guess it turns out the motor core was burnt. So now technically this is using the new motor core, and so far we're doing good in this ride. It seems to have solved the problem so far, from what it looks like. Kevin, you're not cold? You're not cold? You have a sweater? Oh, okay, just checking. Comment below if there's actually like a nice off-roading type of terrain around here. We're basically by Whittier Narrows, basically, crossing through. Feels like you're outside of town with these big trees. We're gonna keep going for now, and then we'll take pictures here later. Yeah, to take pictures. All right. We're just about halfway, about 14 miles in this ride already, and yeah, bike's handling fine. It's just getting chilly. I would like to put on my gloves. I think we could kind of manage here. All right, that's one. I think sometimes I can pedal without, handling with no hands. Maybe I think I need to go enough speed. This is a good straight shot. Oh gosh, I'm gonna fall. I feel like I'm gonna fall. Oh, I feel like this bike is fast. Oh yeah, we're no-handing. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, if we go enough speed, this bike is very stable. Look guys, no hand. All right. A little bit warmer. And another good straight shot to try to master no-handing. If I fall, the title's going to be falling. I'm actually controlling it though. Wow, just a little bit. Going about 20 miles per hour. All right, no hands. No hands. Look at me, ma. No hands. Watch that twig. Huh. I think I could do this all day now. Not really. Oh, squirrel. Oh my gosh. No. That would make me crash for sure. Okay, nope. As soon as I try to cross my arms, I lose a little bit of balance. Or I wimp out. I happen to have a 48 volt 13 amp UPP battery, and I'm wondering what's the realistic range for that versus a 52 volt 12 amp like Luna Wolf battery, for example. I think it was like 624 watts per hour when I done the multiplication. They all amount to this 624 or 642, whatever it is. But because they're the same, I wonder if that's the same amount of range, I wonder. Correct me if I'm wrong. So a 48 volt 13 amp versus a 52 volt 12 amp battery should be the same. All right, so I'll lead from here. It's a bike lane, single file line. Okay. At Miss T in Baldwin Park. Check that out when you can, if you're local, because it's buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one free drink. I mean, can't complain. It's like $5 for 2 boba. Really cool. It's pretty good. It is cold today, but whatever. I'm still willing to get my sugar high on. Get this jump. Get this jump. Yo! I could do some proper jumps on this bike, for sure. Alright. We're in Baldwin Park, and some guy's just biking across here. Oh gosh. I mean, there's a direction. People are misusing the bike lane, basically. Like, obviously it's just for pavement, that bike, the Super73.
Oh, really? Oh.
Even they have like a dual suspension version, and we ended up not liking it after we've gotten electric mountain bikes. So we kind of sold it and made mountain bikes instead because they're just funner. Yeah. I've been craving this. Please and thank you. Sweet, thanks.
I think they gave you a recycled
Paper straw? Okay. Let's get out of Baldwin Park and on to last stop Santa Fe Dam. Hopefully catch a sunset. One of our guy Eddie has a slow leak, flat tire from a goat head. So we're gonna patch him up. But first we're gonna get a good look at the sunset and we'll call it a day. I mean, I made it. This bike feels like its old regular self, except maybe because it's just the stock controller. It's not the ludicrous controller anymore. So maybe about 10% less torquier than what it normally was. But either way, like, I could still get the front wheel up. It made it to today's ride. We're about 90% complete, just about. Let's get a good look at the sunset. Actually, the sun is still pretty high up. It's just that there's like a cloud. I guess that's the so-called rain that's gonna happen tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't ruin much of our overall ride. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us while we're biking tomorrow, but we'll see. Time will tell. I have to look at the weather forecast. Well, that's going to be today's ride, folks. Looks like, again, my bike's going to be completing this ride. No problems here. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on Super73 arielrider, or build your own. Guys, build your own e-bike. That's what I highly recommend. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.